AI isn't just for tech experts anymore. In 2025, free AI tools are helping ordinary people create side hustles, manage businesses, and even build passive income. In this video, I'll show you 5 of the best free AI tools that can help you start making money online with no investment required. Tool 1. ChatGPT, Content and Freelancing. ChatGPT can write articles, emails, scripts, and much more. On freelancing sites like Fiverr and Upwork, people are selling AI-assisted content writing services for anywhere between $10 and $50 per project. Tool 2. Canva AI, Design and Branding. Canva's AI features allow you to design logos, thumbnails, and social media posts without any graphic design skills. Many freelancers use it to create branding packages for clients and earn a steady income. Tool 3. Pictory AI, Video Creation. Pictory AI turns text into videos automatically. This is perfect for faceless YouTube channels, Instagram Reels, and TikTok content. You can also sell short video creation services to businesses looking for social media content. Tool 4. Copy AI, Marketing and Copywriting. With Copy AI, you can generate ad copy, product descriptions, and even blog posts in seconds. Businesses pay good money for marketing content, and this tool makes the process fast and easy. Tool 5. Notion AI, Productivity and Business Tools. Notion AI helps you stay organized, plan tasks, and manage workflows. Freelancers and entrepreneurs use it to save time and focus on high-income activities, which means more opportunities to earn money. Outro, CTA. These were the top 5 free AI tools you can use to start earning online in 2025. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Earnverse for more AI tools and money-making strategies.